Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Emmanuel. Yes, Emma. This is an introductory video to my YouTube video series where I'll be documenting my journey into the amazing world of programming. Yes, so I've broken down this journey into the first 100 days following the popular hashtag 100 days of code. Yes, I'm sure you've seen videos on YouTube here where people are giving, they're sharing their stories, how they became programmers in 100 days, 30 days, 90 days, a year, whichever period. However, I'm going to break down this journey into the first 100 days. So my ultimate goal is actually to become a full stack developer. So working both on the front end and also the back end. So for starters, I have some small basic understanding of how websites work because yes, I've been a web designer, but specifically visually, yes, designing them in Figma, and also working with WordPress, specifically using drag and drop page builders. But I really want to upgrade my skills, specifically using code. So I don't want to be building websites in WordPress or something like that, but I want to be in position to build systems, software specifically. Yes, I know a website is a software, but I want specifically web applications. And yes, I'm going to be delving into PHP programming specifically. I think that's the best language when it comes to web application programming. Yes, I believe there are some other languages, but yeah, okay. I think let's not go into that. Why I chose PHP, I think I'll be sharing that in the future videos that will be coming. So every week I'll be putting out a video showing some of the concepts that I've learned in that particular week, sharing my knowledge around different areas and concepts. And yes, I'll also be using Twitter and LinkedIn. That will be on a daily basis. Yes, I'll be having a small post showing what I worked on, what were the challenges that day, and the list goes on and on. And specifically YouTube, we shall be having a video at least every week showing where I'll be talking about some of the concepts that I will have learned, and also I'll be looking at some of the projects still I'll be working on, straight from my first project and to the rest of the other projects that I'll be putting into my portfolio. Yeah, so why am I doing this? Maybe that is a question you may be asking yourself. That's a question I asked myself earlier on. And number one is that I want to be using this platform specifically to reinforce my understanding of the concepts that I'm learning. I believe that you do not understand something until you can explain it to somebody else so that they understand it. So I'll be using this simply to articulate to put out some of the content that I'll be learning. So if someone is looking out for a similar concept, maybe they want to know about something in PHP, and I've learned that, so I'll be putting out a video explaining how that works. So if I do a good job at explaining to them and they understand that, so I believe that will be a good win for me. And also, so we shall be using the analogy of explaining to a 10-year-old. So I believe that if someone is able to get a piece of content, yes, let's say in programming or whichever concept, and they're able to explain it to a 10-year-old, I believe that means that person really understands it. So we shall be using the analogy that, okay, yes, if a 10-year-old came to you and asked you, let's say, one of the popular things in PHP, let's say the basics is to do with a variable. How would you explain what a variable is to a 10-year-old? In their own understanding, so that they understand it. So we shall be using such kind of analogies or scenarios. Yeah, so those are some of the reasons. And also the other reason why I'm doing this is, yes, I want to be in position to look back, let's say 3 years from now, 5 years from now. I want to be in position to trace how I've been moving, how I've been progressing. Yes, if I look back and I'm like, yes, this is where I came from and this is where I'm at. So, and I believe maybe if this inspires someone out there, well and good, but I believe this will be a good win for me. Definitely looking at my journey, how I've come through the different stages of progressing. Yeah, So that's it. So if you are a newbie like me and you're embarking on a similar journey, I would really love to work with you. So specifically, I want us to create a small community, a small group. It doesn't matter if it is a group of having 2 or 3 people, it doesn't matter. Yes, so if you're embarking on a similar journey, please, you can I'm going to be leaving my WhatsApp number. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp. We can create a small group whereby we can always hold ourselves accountable. We can collaborate on projects. We can work out different coding problems and all that. So that's it for now. Let me see you in the next video.